get started. Gosh darn it, why can't I get this to look good?
Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art. I'm with my best friend here. I'm Steve. Today we're doing the Pro versus Noob drawing challenge where I'm gonna redraw his original character. He's gonna explain all the origins. Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic. Oh, hey, it's been a while. How are you doing?
Hey, my favorite artist person, I need this drawing done in an hour.
I think I can do that.
Thanks, buddy. How can I ever repay you?
I can think of a few ways, if you know what I mean.
I know what you mean. Hold on.
Welcome to the drawing party. Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Which one did you like? Did you like the design or did you like the actual drawing?
Mine was better.
Vote for me, you guys. ZH Comic Art or...
I'm a professional artist.
Anyways, yeah, make sure you guys let me know down in the comments which one you like more.
By the way, my name is Sarah.
Thank you guys for all the love on the Art Alliance. We are going to be doing our first art challenge very, very soon. I hope you guys are super excited for it. It's going to be sometime next week.
Hey there, 99% Gaming. This video is dedicated to you.
Yeah, if you want to win a shout out to you, all you have to do is join the notification squad and let me know down in the comments when you're done. I hope you enjoyed that video.
Keep those pencils moving.
And stay on the daily grind, you guys. We will see you guys next time. Bye.